At what height from the surface of the earth the gravitational potential and the value of G are, so they given respectively. Take the radius of the earth. So normally, so we can write this the value. Potential they given gravitational potential, that is nothing but at certain height I said, right, at certain height they mentioned. So we can take H equal to minus 5.4 into 10 power minus 7 joule kg power minus 2, and acceleration due to gravity at certain height they given, that is H equal to 6 meter per second square. So we need to find out height, and the radius of the earth is given, that is nothing but 6,400 kilometer, 6,400 kilometer. So we can also write this one, 400 kilometers is given, right? We can also write 6.4 into 10 power 6, because in this format 6 is there, no? So in we are writing in this format. So meters, we are writing in meters. So everything you can see in SI units. Now the formula gravitational potential at certain height equal to minus G capital M by R plus H. We know, so G certain height, that is nothing but capital G capital M by R plus H whole square. So these values you can keep in mind, just you can see. So we are writing, right, how we are writing G H equal to capital G capital M by R plus H whole square. So we can write like this, capital G capital M by R plus H into 1 by R plus H. So we can take this one with multiplication of minus. So we can write this value we can write in the place of here we can write. So how it will become, GH equal to minus UH by R plus H. So I want R plus H equal to minus UH by GH. I want H equal to minus UH by GH minus R. Now substitute all the values. Minus of minus 5.4 into 10 power 7, 10 power 7 by G value 6 at certain height minus 6.4 into 10 power 6. If you solve everything, we will get 2600 kilometer. So that is the answer. We'll see the answer. The answer is C. This is the answer. If you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brand. Thank you.